Hydrophobicity and vapor-permeability. Due to its unique open-pored structure, clay foam is water-repellent and vapor-permeable at the same time. This keeps the walls in the building dry and breathable. The water-based clay foam can be applied to cavities which are open to diffusion. The drying process is regulated by the vapor permeability of the surrounding components and environmental parameters. The hydrophobic properties of the foam protect the inner wall from water penetration. After installation, the wall remains vapor permeable due to the foam's open pore structure. This supports a comfortable indoor climate.